You guys just bought a new car. It's getting filthy. The weekend's around the corner. I'm gonna be showing you what you need and how to use it for your guys' first wash. So a couple things that I will recommend you to start off with is obviously a great wash mitt. In this case, I'm using our Chanel microfiber wash pad. I find it so easy and so comforting to use like this. I have a bucket and a dirt trap in here, which is really, really necessary, especially when you have a brand new car, because we don't want to cause any scratches and swirls. It's beautiful right now the way it looks, so let's try to maintain it that way. The soap I went with is our premium Mr. Pink Snow Foam Party. I like this soap. It works on all great colors. I have a bright red cherry color there, so this is gonna make it shine and enhance it really well. I'm pairing this up today with my Pro Flow pressure washer, and obviously I'm using the Big Mouth foam cannon. But keep in mind, you guys, you could wash this with anything. If you have a Foam Blasher 6, you could use that as well. Attach it to your regular garden hose and go to work, foam it up, rinse it off, you know it. Or if you're just an ordinary standard guy and you just have your wash bucket and your mitt, that's fine as well. I will get my Mr. Pink and add 2 ounces into my bucket, which is 1, 2. I'm gonna open up my Big Mouth foam cannon and add about 3 ounces in here. 1, 2, 3. Real quick, you guys, a great piece of advice is if you got a new car or a new to you car and you want to just take extra precaution, what I recommend you do is foam, rinse, foam method. So what does that mean? You apply a nice layer of foam, rinse it off, foam it one more time, and then come in with the contact wash. And for those of you guys that don't have a pressure washer or access to one, it's okay. As long as you rinse off the car first, that's all that really matters. So let's rinse this baby off. So now that we got all the surface rinsed off, now it's time to activate my foam, connect my Big Mouth foam cannon, and start that foam party, baby, which is basically the most satisfying part of the video. Disconnect my tip, pull back in the quick release, connect my Big Mouth foam cannon, and do the same exact thing, but to the car. Awesome. Now it's time to come back to my wash bucket, get my Chanel wash mitt, get some suds from here as well, and basically start going to work. Remember, you guys always want to start from the cleanest part of the car, which is the top, and work your way down all the way to the bottom, always in straight lines. This way, we're just doing it really precautious, really safe, because it's a brand new car. This thing has less than 100 miles on it, which is pretty cool. You just glide the mitt back and forth. And if you're asking yourself, well, how much pressure do I apply when I'm working with my mitt? And the answer is less than a pound. Obviously, you don't want to do too much. You want the wash mitt and the product to do most of the work, which is pretty awesome. And you work your way down. Once you reach the lower part of your panel, always come back, wring a little bit out, go to your wash mitt and that dirt trap that we've once said in the beginning, it's all the way in the bottom. Just glide your wash mitt along it to just clean up your wash mitt. Go back, repeat the process. So now that we're done scrubbing every single surface, I'm talking about the roof, the door panels, everything, the wheels, you name it, we've scrubbed it. Now we just get our snubby and rinse out the surface for us to begin drying. Now, one of the last few products that I recommend you guys get is our Megalodon drying towel. So this is gonna be a twisted loop finish towel. Basically soaks up anything it touches. That's how great this towel is. It's a 24 by 36 towel. And trust me, the results are there once it touches the surface. If you don't believe me, check this out. Wet paint, weight surf, wet paint, wet surface, all I gotta do is just pat it down, pull back, and man, that's dry. And if you don't believe me, let's try it on the windows. Obviously, we know how streaky windows can be when dry now, but check this out. Once again, lay it flat, pat it, drag it along the surface. This thing dries up everything with ease. One towel gets the job done. So for all you guys with big trucks, SUVs, family cars, station wagons, invest in a great microfiber towel. Invest in a great drying towel, and that's gonna be the Magnadon. Speeds up the drying process, so you know what that means. Zero chances of water spots gaining on your new ride, which is awesome. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of the car, you guys. But as you can see, the car looks great, but why would you stop here? Be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, because we're gonna be doing a lot more to this car. We're gonna be touching up micro scratches, making it look even nicer than what it already is. But subscribe, tap in to see those. If you like anything that you've seen in this video, be sure to visit your local 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗄 garage or our website at 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗄.com. As always, I'm Alex. It's a pleasure being here today. See you guys on the next one.